Thegi muno mwena wa studio muranyamukira ndi guku ofisini cia governor wa Laikipia na hinda-ini riri na munini wa governor wa Laikipia niwe Reuben Kamuri na nowe muikariri giti wa ndundu ya anini ya governor bururi-ini na no uko guteithia kurora maundu maya megi ugai wa kigina thini wa county na uhutitie thirikari cia county itiganite na njira ihana atia. Karibu sana bwana deputy governor, your excellency, karibu sana studio cia Inooro TV twire maundu maya mugai wa kigina ri mamuhutitie atia.
Hamare tuane Reuben Kamuri Gatia, Deputy Governor wa Laikipia County and also the chair wa Deputy Governors of the Kenya. Kiure kiu ni kiega uhoro wa division of revenue iri fataire gukorwo igioka counties. Undu uria weho ni ati kwage na finance bill iri ya reject ro ni gwacokire gwikorwo na kaundu gokire ku affect the counties my economy mararengerwo 20 billion. Last financial year tware na allocation ya 385 billions. With a cut of 20 billion from the 400 projection ira to expectaga, it is a serious effect to the counties. Ni kuga counties wa bere hena kindu giguka. The constitution is very clear. Tuvatire ukona minimum allocation of 15% ya allocation ya from the national government exchequer to the counties. Na nekio senators na ithu county government tuikarire othe tukiona the bare minimum for this financial year should be 400 billion. Share go what does it imply? Hena indo iretuga statutory deductions. Maundu ma housing levy, maundu maria ma community health promoters. Hena ginya projects ingitwekaga cietagwo cia KAIP na maundu mangi ginya ma medical equipment. Kurega 20 billion to the counties, it is a serious effect egoka ekoro ete oro operations cia county ni gukoro iki affect ko ikihinyiririo muno. So ndugamano reho ya the national government ya the national assembly na the senate ni kanyaka ndirenda kwamba gucokeria ngatho senate. They have stood their firm makauga gutire hindi allocation ya counties ya 400 billion igirego ginya shiringi. In the case tuvatire ko tukiuga kuongerera ongerera development ile cio the economic happen counties muno rohoro wa healthcare kutaka madera kwi kundu ginya gutari uhoro wa ginya medical centers woka ginya ukutara Laikipia county we can see any development area major urona counties ine it is through these monies that came to the counties. So a humble request to the National Assembly, a humble request to any player in this country be a share counties rekeitige kuhutio ginya ona shiringi ona emwe. Another thing, it should also be predictable. Last financial year twena 385 billion tukigeshoka ate 380. In any case we should be talking of 415 billion nigetha counties ihote gukorwo ikioperate uria kwagiriire. Maundu mangita maningi magukorwo madire ya exchequers on the monthly basis on national iroka ika affect counties tondu tugakona delays cia salaries, tugakona delays cia ginya gukorwo medical supplies ile tufatire gukorwo tukikorwo nacio nigetha tuhote gukorwo tukirora andu a thibitari. Ni kiria nguga Senate, thank you so much, rutani wira wanyu na ithu the council of governors to start firm ati biri fatiri gukorwo igioka counties ikorwo igitukinyira nigetha tuhote gukorwo tugiteithia Wanjiku na andu aitu. Thank you muno bona deputy governor, your excellency, tukinya hau ni undu wa mahinda na toguo wakigwa ni ati ngucanio ino ni fatire gukorwo igituithanio na ihenya niguo thirikari cia county ikorwo ikihota gucokereria mawira macio. Ngetu githiwa wairimu kimucokeria Mwaroyo studio.